I'm sharing a fun crochet project, a snake applique. Perfect for adding a unique twist to your crochet creations. You can turn it into a granny square too, and the tutorial is there. For this project, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's start. For the head, make a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain 3 is not considered as one stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the second 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Create 12 double crochet into the ring in total. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. Close the ring and slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Skip the 3 chains. This is my first double crochet, and on top of it I'm going to slip a stitch. And for a slip stitch, insert the hook into this stitch, pull up the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, and pull this yarn through this loop on the hook. Round 2, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the first stitch. For single crochet, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops, chain 1. In fact, this is a standing single crochet, and I consider this one as 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet into the same stitch. I'm having 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. 2 double crochet in each stitch by the end, and at the end you will have 24 double crochet, counting the first standing single crochet too. 24 double crochet. Skip the first standing single crochet and slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. This is my first double crochet. Slip a stitch here. Round 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same space, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same space for a stitch. 2 double crochet in each stitch. Repeat this by the end, 2 double crochet in each stitch, and at the end you will have 48 double crochet. 48 double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Round 4, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch. 1 single crochet in each stitch. At the end you will have 48 single crochet. At the end, slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet and fasten off. For the mouth part, make a slip knot, and chain 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16. For this part, I'm going to use the back bumps. If you turn the chains, you can see some tiny bumps behind. For example, this one. So I'm going to create my stitches inside these bumps. Skipping the first 3 chains, into the 4th chain, back bump, create 1 double crochet. One half double crochet in next 11 chains. For half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, back bump, pull up the yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Continue creating half double crochet in each chain except the last one. 3, 4, 5, 11 half double crochet and 5 double crochet into the last chain back bump. 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I'm on the other side and you can see the stitches here. Half double crochet in next 11 stitches. Half double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Skipping the chains, this is my first double crochet. Slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. And round 1 is over. Round 2, chain 3 and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Double crochet next. Half double crochet in next stitch. Slip a stitch into next stitch. Half double crochet in next. 1 half double crochet in next. Double crochet in next. Double crochet in next. Half double crochet in next and half double crochet in next. Slip a stitch into next stitch. Half double crochet in next. Double crochet next and 2 double crochet into next 4 stitches. 2 double crochet in each one. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 double crochet in next stitch and 1 treble crochet into the same stitch. For treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into this stitch, pull up the yarn, and 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the second 2 loops, and yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. This is a treble crochet. So in this stitch I'm having 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 treble crochet in next 11 stitches. One treble crochet into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 2 double crochet into next stitch, 1 and 2, and 2 double crochet into last stitch, 1 and 2, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet and fasten off. And this is the mouse part. For the triangle part on top of the head, make magic ring, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet into the ring, 1 and 2, close the ring, chain 3, and turn. This chain 3 is considered as 1 stitch or 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet into the first space or stitch. In fact, I'm having 2 double crochet now. 2 double crochet into next stitch, 1 and 2, and 2 double crochet into last stitch. I'm taking it from the side, 1 and 2, chain 1 and fasten off, and this is like it. For the tongue, I'm using another color because my camera doesn't show the red yarn well. For the tongue, chain 12, skip the first 3 chains and slip stitch into the 4th chain, chain 3, and slip stitch into the same 4th chain, the back bump. It's a bit difficult. Okay. Slipping stitch, and a slip stitch into each chain back bump by the end. It's like this. Fasten off. You can use it as wall hanging, on blankets, bags, clothing. I'm going to turn it into a granny square for my Happy Forest baby blanket project. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more crochet creations. Happy crocheting!